Man, if you've ever owned a Jeep Gladiator, you already know the struggle. Tons of gear, nowhere to stash it, and stuff sliding around every time you hit a bump. That's why mods are a total game changer. Today, we're diving into the 10 must-have Gladiator upgrades that make your ride not just cooler, but way more functional. And hey, don't forget, all the product links are down in the description, so you can snag them for your own build. Starting with number 10, Truck Bed Molle Panels. These babies are built from high-strength carbon steel and can hold up to 300 pounds. Yeah, you heard that right. Toss on a jack, shovel, axe, or just your trail gear, and it stays locked in place instead of rattling all over your bed. Installation's smooth with the included guide, and once mounted, you're gonna wonder how you ever lived without the extra storage. Number 9. The SwiftGaze Phone Mount. Nothing's worse than your phone launching across the dash mid-trail. This mount uses super strong neodymium magnets to hold even heavy devices steady. Whether you're rock crawling or just hitting potholes in town, the heavy-duty base gives it some serious staying power, and both driver and passenger can adjust it however they want. It's simple, tough, and makes your cockpit way more user-friendly. Number 8. DV8 Off-Road Seat Back Molle Pockets. These replace that flimsy netting with rugged steel panels, giving you quick access storage for medkits, tools, or extra gear. They barely stick out, so legroom isn't a problem, and the powder-coated finish keeps them looking fresh. Install takes about an hour, and once they're on, your back seats basically turn into tactical gear stations, perfect for trail junkies or even just family trips. Number 7. The JK Cover Center Console Hidden Organizer. Think of this as your Jeep's little secret compartment. It tucks under the console lid and gives you space for valuables like wallets, cards, or even a spare cable. It blends in so well it looks factory-made, and the ABS plastic is durable but lightweight. Installation is literally snap and go. No tools needed. Handy for keeping your private stuff out of sight. Number 6. The Eamplest Gear Shift Center Console Organizer. This mod is all about keeping your essentials tight and organized. With a steel body and rubber lining, it won't scratch your gear. And the U-shaped buckle design keeps it locked in even on rough trails. Toss in your phone, keys, sunglasses, or even a firearm if that's your thing. It's all secure and within easy reach. And bonus, it adds a rugged vibe to your interior. Number 5. KARSAM Hood Mounting Brackets. If you've ever wanted to light up the trail like daylight, this is the way to do it. Made from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, these brackets hold LED pods or bars steady without scratching your paint, thanks to the elevated anti-scratch design. Installation is no drill. Just bolt them in using factory holes. You can mount multiple lights and adjust the angles, making night runs way safer and cooler. Number 4. QM Foot Pegs. When you're cruising doors off, these are a must. They've got a wide, ergonomic 120-degree design that makes kicking back comfy, plus a non-slip surface with a cutout American flag vibe. The steel construction is powder-coated, so it's tough against rust, and install is as simple as bolting them into your hinge. Makes long drives with the wind in your face that much sweeter. Number 3. REENO Overhead Molle Panel. Overhead space usually goes to waste, but not with this beast. It's made from thick carbon steel, holds up to 240 pounds, and installs without any drilling. Perfect for radios, knives, or even an emergency kit. All within arm's reach. The dual protection coating means it won't corrode, and honestly, it adds a tactical, rugged look inside your Gladiator. Number 2. The Savadicar Center Console Hanging Storage Organizer. Simple but genius. This hangs right on the side of your console to give you quick space for small items like your phone, lip balm, or keys. Made of strong ABS plastic, It's lightweight but durable, and it doesn't interfere with opening or closing the armrest. No tools, no glue, just set it in place. Sometimes the simplest mods are the ones you use every single day. Finally, number 1, the MAIKER front door storage box. If you hate those floppy door nets, this is your fix. Full metal panels give you a ton of extra storage right in your doors for bottles, wallets, flashlights, even a sidearm. They're sturdy, rust-resistant, and install using the original hardware. No drilling needed. The matte black finish with the American flag cutout just screams Jeep pride, and it instantly makes your doors more functional and stylish. So there you have it, the 10 Gladiator mods that really change the game, from hardcore storage upgrades to stylish creature comforts. Remember, all the links are in the description if you want to grab any of these for your own build. And if you dig this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more Jeep tips, mods, and gear reviews coming your way.